we're going to be talking about 5 crystals that attract money into your life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, that way you're always notified. Actually, click the bell. Whether you're a returning subscriber or a new subscriber, click the bell, that way you're always notified and you don't miss out on any of these kinds of videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 different crystals that attract money into your life. Now, we're just going to jump right into it, but before we do, I want to tell you a little bit about crystals. So why and how do crystals work? Every crystal emits a frequency, a vibration, and the vibration of these crystals are very money related, wealth and abundance related. So it's really good to keep these in your home, on your body, in your bedroom, just on you and around you, because they lift the vibration up to attract money. Okay, so the first crystal we're going to talk about is citrine. I have tumbled stone citrine and I have the raw form of citrine as well. And this is the stone of abundance. It's known as the money stone. It's a success stone. It's a stone that brings happiness and cheer into the home and into your environment. It's also known as a merchant's stone of wealth. This is especially good for you if you have a business. It attracts clients, it attracts more business to you. It's really good to have in your place of business, or you can have it in your wallet or around your money. If it touches your money, that's really, really good. It's a money magnet stone, and it's a stone of happiness. So it really lifts the vibration so that not only are you attracting the money, but you're also in a positive state of mind. You're in a cheerful state, a happy state, a joyous state. Citrine also helps you hold on to your money. And this is a stone that does not absorb negative energy. It instead takes it and transmutes it into positive energy. Citrine usually comes in like a blend of white and orange and yellow colors. They're very, very bright stones, and they're pretty shiny and really, really pretty, so that you can use all of these crystals actually for decoration as well as for the purpose of attracting money. The next stone we're going to talk about is Aventurine. Now this is a stone of luck. Like, it's known as the stone of gamblers. It brings good luck to whoever carries it. It's a stone that increases fortune, and it also helps you be more creative. It's a very popular stone when people go gambling. It's a really good stone to take with you when you're gambling. In games of chance, it increases your likeliness to win. It attracts luck and money, prosperity, and abundance into your favor. Aventurine actually comes from the Italian word avventura, which means chance, which is one of the biggest reasons it's also known as the gambler's stone, because it just kind of makes things go in your favor when you're gambling, and it's just a stone that brings a lot of luck when it comes to money. The third crystal we're going to be talking about is pyrite. Now, I don't have the stone, but I always have a pyrite bracelet on. If you guys watch my videos, you've probably seen me wearing this a lot. I will link everything down below so that you guys can find it. They're very inexpensive, very affordable. Just this one might be a little bit pricey because it is from a website called Energy Muse, but I will leave a cheaper version on down below, which I'm sure you can find a cheaper version of this. But pyrite stone is known as fool's gold. It has a very, very high energy, and it brings that energy to wherever it's placed in your home, on your body. It emits a very high frequency, a very high vibration. It's a stone of optimism and cheer, and these are emotions that bring your vibration up. So when your vibration is up, it's more easy for money to come to you, and it's faster for money to come to you when your vibration is up, because you're leaving those paths and those doors open. When your vibration is down, when you're emitting a low frequency, then you're creating a block for money to come to you. So this is a really good stone to keep your vibration up. It also provides mental clarity, helping you to make better decisions when it comes to finances, helping you to think more clearly when it comes to money. It's used in feng shui to attract money and wealth. If you keep this in like the money corner of your house, it's very, very good to lift the vibration of attracting money. The pyrite energy also helps get things done. It's a stone of like movement. It helps you not be lazy. It helps you be inspired to get up and do things, and to really like focus and be motivated and inspired in order for the money to come to you, in order for you to do what you need to do to get the money. The fourth stone we're going to talk about is my favorite stone ever, and that's the Labradorite stone. Now, I have the tumbled version here, but I also have a wand. I have the bracelet that I wear all the time, and then I also have a raw form of the Labradorite. This is my favorite stone. I keep it on me. I wear it all the time. I keep it under my mattress. I keep it in my bedroom. I keep it everywhere because the magic of this stone has changed my life in big ways. And speaking of magic, this is actually known as the stone of magic. It's the stone of transformation. It brings about change. It creates change and movement. The Labradorite stone helps you find your purpose. It's a stone that brings all the right situations, the right timings, the right people, the right circumstances. It puts you into the right place at the right time to attract whatever it is you want. It's a stone of synchronicity. So it just aligns everything in the universe to a place where you can get what you want. It aligns you with whatever you want. It's a very, very powerful stone in my life. It makes things go in your favor. It aligns and shifts the energies that are needed in order for things to go in your favor. It also attracts luck and it protects your energy from leaking. It protects your aura and it really just cleanses away any negative energy around you. So this stone is just, I cannot be without this stone. I have it all the time with me. It's just created huge, huge changes in my life. And it's also a stone to give you willpower. So if you're somebody that struggles with that, this is an excellent stone for you to have. And the last stone we're going to talk about that brings us money is amber. This is not actually a stone, it's more of a resin, but it also falls in the category of crystals and stones that attract money. This stone opens your crown chakra, which allows you to receive and get information from the higher source, from the ethers, universe, God, whatever it is you believe in. It allows you to get connected with that force and that power so that ideas can come to you more naturally, so that you can have information that will help you get more money, that it will give you, it provides you information and a connection to a higher source so that you know which path to go on, where to go, how to attain the money, what to do next. It gives you that information, it gives you that connection, it gives you that inspiration to let you know where you need to go, what you need to do to attract money. It clears away obstacles and blocks that are in your path. So these could be like obstacles in your day-to-day life. It could also be thoughts that you're having that are creating blocks regarding money. This really helps to clear all that out. It transforms negative energy into positive energy. Amber also protects your money. It's a very uplifting crystal and it attracts luck and wealth to you. This is a stone that I really love to keep around me because I feel like it's a stone that brings money really fast. Or if you have an idea, or if you want something, if you want to manifest something, amber is something that, in my experience, just helps things move along faster. It's a stone of just like fast, and it brings about manifestations faster. It helps your desires and your wishes come into reality faster. And if you want money, it just gets things moving faster so that the money can come to you. So these are 5 stones that help attract money. I hope this video helped you. Share it with anybody that you think might find it helpful. Again, all these stones I will leave very affordable options in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe because I'm gonna do a video on 5 crystals that attract love. And then if you guys want other topics, like what other things crystals attract into your life and what crystals you can use to attract it, then leave me a comment down below what you want to see and I will definitely get those videos out to you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is going to be a series on my channel, so stay tuned and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!